Pachu kimchi, Napa cabbage kimchi is what we're making in Protective Diet Education this year. And you're gonna love having a jar of this, or 2 or 3 on the ready in your refrigerator so that you can whip up a flatbread pizza. Yes, I said a kimchi pizza. We don't just eat kimchi on rice bowls, not in my workplace for wellness. We're rolling out our flatbread pizzas directly on our silicone mats, so no cleanup, no flour mess, and we're topping them off with our Melt Bake Cheese. Oh, is this a superstar recipe on a protective diet? You bet it is. While I was rolling out my flatbread pizza, I had this going in my Instant Pot, and it melted and it's ready. And I'm spreading it out nice and thick. This is a double batch right in my measuring cup, ready to go to pour out. I'm gonna divvy this up so that I don't go shy on one. Jerry wouldn't be having that.
That's right.
More cheese on mine than his? No. We always cut our pizzas. We each eat a flatbread pizza, and we cut our pizzas and then we split them because...
So we each get half, right?
Yes, because I might have favored one with a little more kimchi or a little more cheese, and that's not fair. We're always measuring on a protective diet. So these are gonna go into the oven, and I'm gonna show you how beautiful they are when they come out in just a few minutes. Pizza's hot and ready. 2 pizzas for J&J. And I'm gonna put this one up here and cut this one for you. I was on PDL checking out what you're making with the Melt Bake Cheese, and I'm so impressed. That 30-minute bake time gives me an opportunity to chill out. I made a little salad here, and I'm gonna top that with the zesty Italian oil-free vinaigrette. It's the copycat of the Good Season Zesty Italian, oil-free of course. And I can't decide, should I cut this into traditional pizza slices or in squares? I'm from Chicago, so Chicago style pizza, it's always in squares, but I'm gonna go triangles on this one and then squares on the second one.
That cheese looks amazing, Julie.
Oh my gosh, this recipe is one of my favorites. I think that I sometimes can't believe that I created this. It only took over a year of testing to create a pizza cheese that was fat-free, tasted like mozzarella, and melted better than all of those vegan cheeses on the market. And you can see it came out of the oven, it's browned on the top, it's got a firmness to it, and it's cheesy underneath. And then as it cools, it gets just like real pizza cheese. And I'm gonna cut the other one. I'm gonna take this one, slide it off onto our platter here. This pizza is probably one of the most protective pizzas that we could eat. Loaded with cabbage, green onions, radish, Korean radish. What else is in there? Oh my gosh, that Korean chili pepper. Oh, that makes kimchi so beautiful and red. No tomatoes on this pizza. It's chili peppers. This pizza is spicy and loaded with capsaicin, anti-aging and protective. I'm gonna go straight down the middle with this one. Jerry, thanks for eating a protective diet with me. It makes life so fun.
My pleasure, literally.
Check this out. Go for those alternative pizza sauces that I showed you in the Melt Bake Cheese lesson on Protective Diet Education. We're putting salsa as sauce. We're putting Angela's Colorado green chili as sauce. We're putting Pachu kimchi as our sauce and our veggies, our protective veggies. It doesn't get any better than this. Well, until next week. check out that recipe on a protective diet. It just keeps getting better with every passing week and every new recipe on a whole food plant-based diet we call a protective diet. Take care and best of health.